welcome back to another video. I got some huge news for y'all. This holiday season, I'm gonna be at every Harley Davidson dealership. Yeah, you heard that right. You're gonna walk into every dealership and see this little ugly face right here. Right here we have the 2025 Harley Davidson Holiday gift guide. This is, I'm like at loss for words. I've been wanting to make this video for some time. I just didn't know how to put it together, and then today I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna talk about it. This is it, and I'm extremely happy of the success that, you know, we've had from this channel, you know, doing cool stuff like this, doing press launches with Harley Davidson as well, working on other cool projects. Last year for the 2025 Softail launches, I was able to be part of that reveal video. So it's been a great journey, man. I've enjoyed every minute of it. I'm very thankful, and you know, at the end of the day, I'm able to do stuff like this because you guys watch the content. You guys, you know, are there commenting, liking. Some of you guys don't like. Some of you guys leave angry comments. It's all good. At the end of the day, I'm reaching an audience, and at times I'm helping people, opening up their eyes. People who weren't really interested in Harley Davidson from the beginning, they started watching my videos, and now they're out there riding, inspiring some people to do certain things with their bikes. Just a ton of stuff, and I'm very humbled by everything. I never let anything go to the head. I don't have an ego when it comes to this. For those of you guys who have ever met me in person, I'm the same person on camera, off camera. I don't change, and I don't carry myself with a big ego. This right here was very special for me though, because it's something that, you know, like the video content is awesome and it's always there. It's gonna be there forever for anyone and everyone to watch, but it's digital. But when you have something like this, something very physical, something that a lot of people are gonna be a part of to look at, it just means something else. Even, you know, you open the first page and I'm right there. Like it's so awesome. This shoot we had shot a few months back actually, so I know, you know, it looks like it's a Christmas scene and it looks like we're like ahead of time, but we shot this a few months ago. We were out in Portland. Portland is beautiful. I actually want to go back out there and have the opportunity to ride out there, and some beautiful roads, beautiful sceneries. I didn't get to have the chance to explore the state the way I wanted to, but initially I want to go back. I still want to do like a West Coast trip where I start on Washington and I ride all the way down and, you know, ride through all the beautiful West Coast states along the coast. That's what I want to do. But this, a little bit about the gift guide. You could go on here and you can look at ideas. If anyone's looking for any gift ideas for a friend, for a wife, a husband, whatever it may be, anything and everything Harley Davidson when it comes to clothing, accessories. There's parts, there's helmets, there's bags, there's tools, there's bike parts. Just very, 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 very cool. Awesome shoot, by the way. I got the chance to meet a lot of really cool creators. It was a very awesome experience. We're out there for a few days, shooting non-stop. It was like a movie set, and it's awesome. So you're gonna be able to pick this guide up at every dealership. It's available, it's free. Pick one up, and then you can have a piece of me with you all the time. Also, there's gonna be posters posted up at every dealership, so as soon as you walk in the door, there's gonna be my face there, amongst a few other things. Just real happy, man. We're coming to the time of the year where we're able to kind of sit back, reflect on how the year has been for us as individuals. Did we accomplish goals? Did we not? Did we grow mentally, physically? Did we go through some hard times that we got out of? And then did we experience some really awesome things that we can cherish and take with us forever? I have, for me, it's been a long year. With YouTube, it's been awesome, great growth, great opportunities. In my private life, personally, it's been a great year for me. Work-wise, it's been a roller coaster with work. And this year, to me, I kind of had the chance to shine and show people kind of who I am and what I'm able to do. Very pleased with my performance when it comes to that. On a personal level, I'm in a very happy place right now, this time of my life. I've taken a time this year to kind of reflect a lot on what I enjoy doing the most, what I don't like anymore. And it's just been a shift, a big shift in me on the type of things that I'm prioritizing now compared to what I used to prioritize in the past. So it's probably been the year of the most growth that I've had personally, and within myself as well. I feel like a total different person. I know this sounds a little cliche. This is, where I come on here, we talk about motorcycles most of the time, but today's a little bit more personal. But it's been a great year, and I really hope that each and every one of you has had a great year, and will end the year off very strong. And looking forward for 2026, looking forward to bigger and better things, to more doors opening up, to health, to wealth, and to have great company by your side. I think that's what's most important. And overall, new cool motorcycles. We'll flip through the pages right here real quick so we could show you guys real quick. So this was a cool scene. This was in a cabin, and I was literally being wrapped around in Christmas lights. Really, really awesome Harley jacket, by the way. That was real fun, man. That was a real fun shoot. So you can actually order that jacket right there. It fits amazing. It looks great as well. That was in the same shoot in there as well. So anything that we're wearing, you kind of pick out in the catalog. We'll see. We'll keep flipping through the pages where I'm at. This page right here towards the middle, you can pick up that jacket that I have on right there, the overshirt that she's wearing in the picture as well as the helmet that I'm holding in my hand right there. You can pick that up. This was really cool. This was outside. This is fake snow, by the way, believe it or not. It's all fake snow. It looked real. It felt real. Just really, really awesome the way everything came together. This was with Santa right here. Really, really cool. That was a really awesome Santa. The boots right here you can pick up, and once again the helmet. Those are my legs. I know them everywhere. Really cool picture right here with Santa once again. This is really cool. This is inside the cabin. We had a lot of fun doing this shoot. Ton of fun actually. So you can pick up the t-shirt, the socks right there. Some more Harley accessories. Another picture with Santa right there. And that's it. Santa going away on the sled. There's a ton of other posters, different pictures that didn't make it onto here, but are gonna be used for the dealerships. Overall, thank you guys for always tuning in. Thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for Harley Davidson for giving me the opportunity to work on cool stuff like this year after year. Got some pretty cool stuff coming for 2026. I'll tell you that right now. I've been thinking about different ideas and where we're gonna go with the channel, right? So tune in for that. I know today's video was a little bit more personal, not where you're used to seeing on this channel, but kind of wanted to open up a little bit to you guys. I feel humbled by this experience and happy to share with you all. Today is Thanksgiving, by the way, so it's another reason why I kind of got a little bit personal today. I'm super thankful for everything. If you're watching this video now, it's past Thanksgiving, but I'm super thankful for life, for you guys. Super thankful to be doing stuff like this. Super thankful for Harley Davidson for working with me. Super thankful for great health. Super thankful to have a healthy and beautiful family, great friends, a job, which is very important right now. And overall, I'm super thankful to get on my bikes and enjoy life, share my journey with you, whether it is me blabbing about anything when I'm out on my bike and have you guys listening to it. Like always, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.